Hello, everyone. Welcome to this peaceful meditation session. Today, we will explore the simple yet powerful law of meditation. Find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again. Breathe in calmness and breathe out all tension. Allow your shoulders to relax. Relax your jaw. Relax every muscle in your body. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to do. This moment is yours. Now bring your attention to your breathing. Feel the air entering your nose and gently leaving your body. There's no need to force anything. Simply observe. The law of meditation teaches us that where attention goes, energy flows. When your attention is scattered, your mind becomes restless. Attention becomes focused, peace naturally appears. Breathing slowly. Imagine a soft golden light above your head. This light represents peace, wisdom, and inner harmony. With every breath out, all stress begins to fade away. Feel this beautiful light moving through your mind, calming every thought, relaxing every worry, creating space for clarity and peace. If thoughts appear, that is perfectly okay. Simply notice them. Then gently return your attention to your breath. No judgment. No resistance. Just awareness. Now silently repeat these words. I am calm. I am peaceful. My mind is clear. I am connected to the present moment. Allow these affirmations to settle deeply within you. Feel their truth. Feel their power. The more you practice meditation, the more your inner world transforms. Peace becomes natural. Clarity becomes effortless, and balance becomes a part of your daily life. Take a moment now to enjoy this silence. Just breathe. Enjoy this peaceful moment. Allow your mind to rest. Allow your body to relax. Allow your heart to open. Everything is unfolding perfectly. You are safe. You are calm. You are at peace. Now begin bringing your awareness back to the room. Notice the surface beneath you. Notice the sounds around you. Take a deeper breath in and slowly breathe out. Wiggle your fingers and toes. open your eyes. Carry this peace with you throughout your day. Remember, the law of meditation is simple. The more you return to stillness, the more peace you create within yourself. Thank you for meditating with me today. Thank you.